All right, and welcome back. Next up, we're going to be talking with Noah Snyder with Biointerphase. Good afternoon, Noah. I hope you're doing well. And why don't you tell us a little about yourself and Biointerphase?
Yeah, definitely happy to be here. Thank you so much for the invitation. As you said, I'm Noah Snyder. I'm the CEO and founder of Biointerphase Incorporated. I founded Biointerphase back in 2015 with the mission to restore and reinforce biological needs. Biological needs are defined as, really anything required to support life. That could be a functioning nervous system to help a person walk, clean drinking water, or even access to safe transportation. And so at Biointerphase, we work towards achieving that mission by developing technologies, demonstrating them, and helping to integrate that into the market using our core competencies of biomaterials as well as biosignals intelligence.
How has Field Environmental assisted your company with projects over this year as well, last year as well as years in the past?
Yeah, it's been really kind of cool. We're located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and a couple years ago we were contracted by the Department of Transportation to look at developing an artificial intelligence guided sanitization system for public buses, vehicles, and other assets that are used in transportation around the city. And so we started working with air quality monitoring systems. And we had been working with a company actually in the Middle West or the Midwest. But it turns out there was a company down the road that could actually help us even better. And so a couple years ago, we were introduced to Field Environmental, and the engineers and the folks there helped us pick out the appropriate air quality monitoring systems. They helped us professionally install them at our customers' sites and also developed an online portal system through their other system, the Field Data Solutions, so that we could look at the data, look at it in real time, extract it, and use it for our own technology.
Awesome, perfect, yes. And do you want to go into a little bit of detail about the desalination process as well?
Yeah, I think that first project was really exciting because as a company focused on bioengineering and with a specific skill set, it's really great to have partners that bring a lot to the table. And so when we started working with Field Environmental, it was clear that not only did they have access to a lot of different sensor systems that we could use in our projects, but they were a great partner with a lot of engineering support. And so as our company works on a variety of different projects, we got a new one from the Department of Interior looking at improving the efficiency of desalination systems. So desalination systems are super critical right now as water becomes more scarce, and they take in water from the ocean and generate fresh, clean drinking water. As those systems start to get dirty, the efficiency drops and the usage of that technology is hindered. And so one of our products that we developed called Hydrophase is designed to prevent that type of biological fouling to make water more accessible. But a really key part of that technology development process is demonstrating it with real-time analysis. And so after working with Field Environmental on that first project with the Department of Transportation, we called up the Field Environmental team immediately and said that we needed to build this new system. We needed to build a system that could input, over a dozen different types of data inputs. And we needed to be able to take that information on 5 to 10-second increments and analyze it with our systems in order to demonstrate our technology. And so over the course of a year working on that project, Field Environmental not only helped us design from the ground up what this demonstration rig would look like, but also did the installation for the actual sensors that we need and integrated it with the Field Data Solutions again so that we could have access to that data in real time. So that was really pivotal in being able to demonstrate that technology for the Department of Interior. And I think another good example of having a partner that brings a different skill set for us that we could really rely on so that we could focus on what we're good at.
Absolutely. And just out of curiosity, where are these projects taking place at,
Yeah.
location-wise?
Yeah, so the Department of Transportation project is actually, we've got air quality monitoring systems installed on buses in the city of Pittsburgh. But as Field Environmental has used their systems really across the country, We're also looking at air quality systems across the country as well, so that we can take a network-based approach and use that information and that data. So again, another great example of working with somebody that already has access to large data sets. And so while we're focused here in the city, it certainly has impact outside of the Pittsburgh area. Similarly, for the Department of Interior work, we actually built that system. It's a mobile system. It's in our lab right now in Pittsburgh, but we're also using that system or using that data for some of the projects that are focused with the Department of Interior's efforts out in Yuma as well as Alamogordo, New Mexico.
Awesome, awesome. And just out of curiosity, is there any other new exciting projects that you guys have coming up, maybe not with FEI or FDS, that you'd like to share?
Yeah, I think one of the things that we're working on right now is our first product, Thermophase, which is a technology designed to make industrial cooling systems and power plants more efficient. It was a technology we had developed originally for the United States Navy to keep heat exchangers on the submarine systems clean. And so we've actually taken that technology, developed it over 5 years, and started to use it in around 13 states across the country, and are looking to actually license that into additional markets. And I think it's another good example where a technology like that it's really critical to have data inputs so that you can validate the technology, demonstrate how new products can benefit customers. And so we're really excited about that product, as well as some of the others that are in the pipeline.
Perfect, awesome. And just out of curiosity too, what's the best way for people to reach out if they have any questions or interest with Biointerphase?
Yeah, if you have any interest in working with us, or if there's any kind of biological needs types projects you want us to work on designing new technologies for, you can email me at noahsnyder@biointerphase.com. You can also email our general site at info@biointerphase.com, which is listed on our website at www.biointerphase.com.
Perfect. Well, Noah, we appreciate the time. And next, we're going to be taking it to Jared with the events segment. So more coming up now.